Yeah, this plane, it's a little too small to put it on the plane, but I'm going to just clip it on my my sunglasses here and record the next crash. It's a little bit too light.
More wind?
Yeah, a little bit more wind would be better for it. What's that? I can, yeah, oh definitely. They don't attack it, they just are very curious. Not too far, there's really not that much lift. Maybe 100 feet. And it is coming in at an angle here too, so. Woo! I think I better call it quits while I'm ahead. I know I'm going to crash and burn it. Let me show you. Here. So when I move the control sticks, you see how the servos go? Yeah. That's all there is to it. That thing right above your thumb is the receiver. And the battery is what powers it. So.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's called an Alula. It's a little kit you can get for $60.
Wow, that's cool.
But the radio gear is another 100 or so, and this is a couple hundred. But
that's cool. They're pretty good with it.
I know I better quit while I'm ahead. What's that?
It flies best with the wind.
Yeah, it would fly a little better if the wind was straight in, but it's kind of a little more from the north and a little variable, you know.
Updraft.
Yeah, I don't have any lift here either. Oh, I forgot, this thing is still taking a video. So I need you to sign the model release.